welcome to day 10 of your Proverbs and Plank Challenge. Today is the final day. We are going to finish off Proverbs chapter 31. We were talking about the virtuous wife. We will continue verses 21 through 31 in Proverbs 31. Here we go. She is not afraid of snow for her household, for all her household is clothed with scarlet. She makes tapestry for herself. Her clothing is fine linen and purple. Her husband is known in the gates when he sits among the elders of the land. She makes linen garments and sells them, and supplies sashes for the merchants. Strength and honor are her clothing. She shall rejoice in time to come. She opens her mouth with wisdom, and on her tongue is the law of kindness. She watches over the ways of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness. Her children rise up and call her blessed, and her husband also, and he praises her. Many daughters have done well, but you excel them all. Charm is deceitful, and beauty is passing, but a woman who fears the Lord, she shall be praised. Give her of the fruit of her hands, and let her own works praise her in the gates. Awesome job. Day 10 complete. Be sure that you are liking these videos and sharing with somebody who can be blessed by them. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you at the new workout series coming up.